Hey guys, welcome back. In the last section, we have created the account services project and we have configured the application.properties file as well. And we have changed the port number actually. Now we are running the account services on the port number 8082. And we have the database changed actually. Before we were using the customer service database. Now we are changing the database to account services. And everything would be similar. Port number and the database name only the change we have done in the last session. So in this session, what we will be doing is we will be creating a account class. So the account class will be having the account ID, account number, and the balance and the account type. All these details we have. With these, we will be configuring the customer ID in the account class as well. So let's go and do it. So I'll be inside this source main Java and Java. I'll right click it. I'll create a new package. I'll name this package as domain. So we will be specifying all our entity classes under the domain folder only, domain package only. Okay. So let me create a class. I'll be creating a class called account. Fine. So now we have created the account class. So this account class will be having the properties like account ID, private account ID. Then we'll be defining the account type and sorry, private string account type. Then we'll be defining account number. I'll be defining as a long. So account number. Okay. So then I'll be defining the balance. So after that, what I'll do is I'll be generating the setters and getters. In order to generate the setters and getters, I'll be using the Lombok annotation such. So I'll use setter annotation for generating the setter. I'll use getter annotation to generate the getters. Okay, if I want to generate the constructor, so what I'll do is I'll be using the all our constructor, all argument constructor. Okay, so with this we will be creating a all argument. We'll be creating a constructor with all these properties. So if we have a parameter as constructor, then we need to create a default constructor as well. So the default constructor is nothing but no constructor. Okay, so as I said, like these are the related to the account details. Okay, these are the properties which are related to the account type. So now I want to relate this account to the customer. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll be adding a one more property called a customer ID. So I'll be associating the account and the customer with this customer ID only. Okay, before creating account, what I'll do is I'll be creating a customer ID first. I'll be passing the same customer ID to the account as well. So if the customer ID is exist, then only we can be able to create the account. That's what we are going to do. Private in customer IDs. Okay. So now, if you want to generate two string, you can generate two string. Otherwise, it's not needed. So we have completed the account class. Now this is a normal class. Now I want to make this class as a entity so that I can save these account details into the DB. Particularly, I will say add entity. Okay. So now if we have defined the entity, so now what you have to do is you have to give the primary key. Okay. So for every entity, we will be defining some primary key. So in JPA, we will be defining the primary key using ID annotation. So ID, we will be using it at ID. So when you define a property as an ID, so we will say that this is an ID. This is a primary key. Now we want to generate the ID automatically. I'll say generated value. I'll give the strategy or strategy equals to generation type dot auto. So it will be automatically generating the ID value for an account. Okay, if you're adding a single entity, so it will be creating a one account ID. Okay, so fine. So I thought this is fine. So now what I'll do is I'll be writing the service layer in the next session. So I hope this is fine. In the next session, we'll be writing the service layer. Thank you for watching.